Hi guys, Eden here of Try Ko Lang Recipes, and for today, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa itong homemade vanilla ice cream. Now, first time kong ginawa itong ice cream na to, and I'm very proud kasi napaka-smooth niya. So, here are the ingredients. So before we start guys, please subscribe to my channel, Try Ko Lang Recipes, for more homemade ice cream recipes, and paklik na rin yung notification bell na yan para ma-notify ka kapag may bagong upload na videos. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video as well to your friends and family. So without further ado, simulan na natin gawin itong ice cream.